What is up, YouTube? I'm Divinity Break. I returned some stuff in the mall today, and I got some packs, so I thought I'd open them. Got 10 packs, and I got them at Coliseum Comics. They're $3.50 there, which isn't the greatest price, but yeah. Applejack, Full Free Press, Mare, Opalescence, Red Gala, Hoity Toity, Looking for Trouble. This got charged up as my rare. Creme de la Creme. I'm actually going to put that in comments separate from these. I'll probably also get a box this weekend, so that'll probably be more interesting. Okay, Pinprick. Then these. Okay. So if you didn't hear, there's also set 2 is confirmed, so this isn't the only set we're doing. That's good. Risotto, that's good. And I got 3 more cards. These are going fast. Barry James, useless card. Got a Night Watch. I haven't gotten the foils yet, which is actually really strange because I tend to get them half of the time. Just the normal foils, not always ultra rares. A little look links. This, and I got a shiny barn raiser. It's fine, I guess. Not great. Problems. Team effort. Got 2 packs left. Okay, these packs can be kind of weird sometimes. So and a rarity truly outrageous. That is amazing. I already have one of these too. It's insanely good. Okay. So I made my money back. I paid about $40 for this, so, and rarity is $40. Definitely making that deck. Okay, I've got a full steam, and full steam is really cool. Being a 4/4 no requirement. Okay, last pack. I think I see a shiny. Bright Bolts, nice. And a Assertive Mistrading. That's good too. Cool. So yeah, overall I got these for my foils and for my rares, Bright Bulb, Full Steam, Solar Wind, Team Effort, Sunny Rays, Links, Night Watch, Risotto, Pinprick, and Charged Up. So yeah, I'll probably do some more like a box opening this weekend if I can. And hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.